Good day everyone and Assalamualaikum. Today, we will be performing an activity that will demonstrate the acid-base reaction. So I will be demonstrating acid-base reaction using baking soda as our base with a pH of 9. So this is our baking soda and it has a potential hydrogen of 9. And also, we have 3 acids that we will be using also. We have here the Coca Cola. Then we have here the lemon juice. This is actually extracted from Kalamansi Juice. So this is purely Kalamansi Juice. And of course, we have here our Vinegar. And then we will be comparing the rate of reaction for each acid when we mix it with the base. So, by observing, of course, the carbon dioxide or the amount of bubbles that are produced when our acid is mixed with our base. So, how are we going to do it? So, the first step is that we will be adding 50 ml of baking soda for each glass. So, this is our first glass, our second glass, and our third glass. So, the first step is we are going to add a 50 ml of baking soda for each glass. So let's start it. This is our baking soda. So now we will be adding the 50 ml of baking soda for each glass. So ayan. So mag-add tayo ulit ng 50 ml of baking soda. So we will be using beaker to measure the exact amount of beaker we wanted to Okay. So I think it's enough. This is for our second glass. Then we have here for the third glass, the last one, 50 ml of baking soda. So kapag gagawin natin ito, kalma lang tayo. And we're going to enjoy this activity. Yeah, so, tama. And after that, we will be adding 50 ml of water for each cup to dissolve the baking soda. So meron na tayong na-measure na 50 ml of water. We are just going to add 50 ml of water for each glass. Ayun. So kailangan natin yung water para ma-dissolve yung ating baking soda. That is the purpose why we need to add 50 ml of water. Okay, so after that, of course, we're going to stir it. So I will be going to use a laboratory stirrer to stir our baking soda with our water. So para ma-mix sila. Stir natin. Ayan. So kailangan nating maging pasensyado, diba? Para sa pag-stir ng ating product. So the other one. So ganito talaga sa mga activity, guys. Kailangan is may pasensya tayo. Kasi hindi to kumbaga pwede lang natin gawin ng 1 minute lang o di kaya seconds lang. So yan, stir na natin. And then the next one is we will be adding a drop of dishwashing liquid. And this is our dishwashing liquid. I use Joy dishwashing liquid. This is not to promote Joy, ha. So we will be using the Joy dishwashing liquid here. We're just going to have a drop of dishwashing liquid into our for each glass. This is to trap the carbon dioxide of the acid-base reaction and for causing bubbles. So ito pala is gagamitin natin para lang matrap yung ating bubbles or the carbon dioxide of the acid-base reaction. So maglagay lang tayo ng enough amount. Okay. Dagdagan pa natin. So 2 drop lang. 1, 2. So I think kulang pa siya. At sa makita natin na naka-kuan na siya. Ayan. Okay. So I think enough na. Ayan. We will be pouring a food coloring into each glass. So para makita natin yung color ng bawat acid na meron tayo. So again, we will be assigning the orange color to our vinegar, and then we have here the red color into our Kalamansi Juice, and then the violet one for the Coca Cola. So drop lang, kahit 4 drops lang I think. So mag-add tayo dito. Unahin natin si vinegar, orange, 1. Ayun, so isang ano lang pala. Okay? Kasi wala tayong pang yung maliit na drop. Okay. So the next one is of course the red one. So yung red, yan yung ating Kalamansi Juice. So mag-use lang tayo ng syringe dito. And maglagay lang tayo ng color. Ayun. So I think it's enough na. So the next one is the violet. So yan yung ilagay natin sa Coca Cola. The violet color. Ayun. Okay. So meron na tayong violet color, red color for the Kalamansi Juice, and then the orange color for our vinegar. So what would be the next step? So the next one is after adding 4 drops or drops of food color into each cup, then we will add 25 ml of acid. So maglalagay tayo ng 25 ml of acid for each cup. So may na-prepare na tayo na acid, di ba? Meron tayong vinegar, meron tayong Kalamansi Juice, meron tayong Coca Cola. So itong dito naka-measure na to ng 25 ml. Yan. So pag na-pour natin ito, so the next one guys is we will add our 25 ml prepared acids. So meron tayong 25 ml of vinegar, meron tayong 25 ml of Kalamansi Juice, and 25 ml of what do you call that one? Coca Cola. So titingnan natin yung kanyang effect. Titingnan natin yung reaction ng bawat acid sa ating prepared base for each glass. Okay. So mag-add na tayo. So isasabay ko na itong dalawa para ma-pour ko na din ito agad. So let us observe and see what would happen. So observe the rate of bubbles that is being produced by the 2 or by the 3 glasses. Okay. So hanggang ngayon, na-observe natin na yung kalamansi is nagpo-produce pa siya ng bubbles. So si vinegar is pababa na yung kaniyang bubbles. Si Coke naman, ito lang. So why the reactions happen in that way? So what happened? We all know that the neutral substance or the neutral substance has the pH or potential hydrogen of 7. So ibig sabihin nito, the lower the pH, the more acidic the substance is. And then and on the other hand, the higher the pH, the more basic the substance will be. So after performing our activity, we see that the lemon juice has the lowest pH because of the rate of reaction. So nakita natin na mas paspas mag-produce ng bubbles yung ating lemon juice, and then we can just say that it has the lowest potential hydrogen. So theoretically, the highest rate of reaction when we mix baking soda, it will just cause the most amount of bubbles due to more hydrogen ions colliding with our baking soda. We have just observed, and to our experiment, so we have just observed that our calamansi juice have caused more bubbles of reaction. So this means that it has the highest rate of reaction when we mix our calamansi juice into our base, which is the baking soda. And then the next one is our vinegar, and the third one is our Coca Cola. So thank you so much for listening, or thank you so much for watching this video. So we will be posting more videos to come. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.